In this video explains how to create an OKX account step by step. Even if it's your first time using a cryptocurrency exchange, you can easily sign up by following this video. First, install and run the OKX app. Click the Sign Up button. Select your nationality, check the terms, and then click Create Account. Before entering your email address here, first enter the most important referral code. After clicking here, enter the code displayed on the screen directly. You can also copy and paste the code from the description box below the video. You can only receive a 20% discount on transaction fees by entering the specified code. Enter the email address you want to use, and click the Sign Up button. Solve the puzzle, and check your email inbox. When you check your email inbox, the verification code sent from OKX will be there. Copy this code and paste it into the OKX app. Enter your phone number and click Next. Enter the verification code sent to your phone number. Set the password. Now proceed with identity verification to trade on OKX. This process takes about 7 minutes and requires a government-issued ID or passport. Select your nationality and click Next. Choose the type of ID to use for verification and press Next. Allow camera access. Press the Start button to begin the verification. Take a photo of the front of your ID so that the text is clearly visible. If the photo is good, click Next. Do the same for the back. Next is the selfie verification. If you look straight ahead according to the screen instructions, the capture will be completed. Once this process is complete, the identity verification review will begin. Typically, the review is completed within an hour, and if you pass, you can check the verified status in the profile menu by clicking the menu in the top left corner. Finally, for the safety of your account, we will proceed with the security verification. Click on the profile and then go to the Security tab and click on the Authenticator app. Click this button. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your mobile phone. Next, enter the verification code sent to your email. You can install the Google Authenticator app here. Press the button to install it. Return to OKX and press the corresponding button. Copy the 16-digit key displayed on the screen. After launching the Google Authenticator app, click the button in the bottom right to enter the setup key. Paste the copied 16-digit key in the Your Key section and set the account name to OKX. When you click the Add button, a 6-digit authentication code that changes every 30 seconds will be generated. Return to OKX, click Continue, and then enter the 6-digit authentication code displayed here. By entering this, the security settings will be completed. Now the OKX registration and all account settings are finished. You can start trading on OKX by depositing or transferring coins. If the video was helpful, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.